Hello, everybody. My name is Nick the Viper here, bringing you a UE5 Road Network Landscape Spline tutorial. A lot of people goes out and buys these plugins, and it's actually really unnecessary because Unreal Engine 5 has the road network system built in. And today, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. First off, I'm going to go into edit mode. I'm going to go into landscape. I'm going to select manage and go to splines. Let's select splines. Control, click here, and click here. I'm going to add this straight road here to this. I'm going to click on this segment, go down till I see spline meshes, go over here, hit the plus, hit this arrow by index, and go to where it says mesh. I'm going to click that. I'm going to type in straight. It's going to say rn underscore straight, which is road network underscore straight 01. Click it. And then I want to come down and uncheck this scale to width, or otherwise the road will be bigger than the intersection. And I'm going to click this endpoint here, go down to mesh, and I'm going to type in four-way underscore intersection 01. Then you see that it matches up with it. I put the origin at the end and X plus axis. I'll show you. Here, you see down here in this corner, X is facing this way, right here. It's the origin point, X, Y. Okay. And you see that when I do this, that the sidewalks don't work right and it messes up inside the road. So I just click back in here, go back in here into static mesh editor for the four-way intersection. I'm going to bring this down and I'm going to add a socket, create socket. I'm going to make it called start, caps, start. And I'm going to show you why. I rotate this. I'm going to show you why I rotate it all the way around. Axis is facing from this point here to there. Because if you don't rotate it, this is what happens. It turns the mesh around 180 on you. So if I turn this all the way around 180 like that, I save, and if I rotate the mesh again, you'll see that it matches back up. So that means it's linked properly. So I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to create another socket for another branch off this intersection. I'm going to call it back. Back. And I'm going to take it. I'm going to drag it all the way to the end. Make sure it's lined up at the end of this mesh, this intersection, in this direction. And then I'm going to add one for left. I'm just going to go ahead and add two, one for right. But I'm going to select them up here. I'm going to start with my left. Bring it over here. I'm going to bring it to the side. Make sure it's lined up to mesh. And by the way, it's best to keep your meshes uniform, like so many meters. I use centimeters. Like this one here says 16 by 1599, 13 thickness. So I try to keep them as uniform as possible. That way the snap grid and line up. Okay, and I got that. That one's rotated. So I'm going to do the right one now. Bring it to the end. I'm going to rotate that one 90 degrees and save it. And I'm going to close this out. I should be done with this. And as you see, when I get there and I hit control, click off of the branches on the intersection, and I can actually rotate them. And I got some Fortnite maps I want y'all to check out. Tell me what you think. Okay, back to Unreal Engine 5. I'm gonna select this here. I'm gonna bring this around here, and I want to add a T intersection. I got a T intersection made, so intersection. I'm gonna add it to it. But you see, like before, I didn't even add no sockets on this one. We're still gonna have to do the same thing with this. If I select here and there, you see that it'll match. It'll link, but it ain't linking right with the T intersection. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select it here. I'm gonna go down here to the T intersection. I'm gonna double click. I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the last one with the 4-way. Make a start socket, and I want to rotate that 180 degrees. Oops. 180 degrees. And I want to create a left, one called left, and one called right. Then I'm going to drag it to its ends. Make sure it's centered. Now I'm going to rotate this one minus 90. And I'm going to get the right one. I'm going to drag it out. And I'm going to rotate this one 90 degrees. Now I'm going to save and close. And you'll see that when I click off here, it will work perfectly. And if I click off this way, it'll work perfectly. So I can rotate the whole intersection. And yeah, when you rotate like this, it will change. But you can also adjust it to make it work for you. And like say if I want to take this and go all the way around like typical, like it does, always did. You got your own block here, and you can even add more 4-ways and T intersections around here if you want. So that's it. And if you like this video, you can donate to help me get some resources so I can do some more Unreal Engine 5 tutorials. And it's my PayPal. It's linked to my YouTube channel. You can donate if you want. And them Fortnite maps, comment down below and tell me what you think. Thank you all, and see you in the next video.